one-time private investigator hired by Amber Heard legal team to dig up dirt on Johnny Depp, admits he was stunned at the amount of unwavering support towards the actor while he had been facing abuse allegations. In his new self-published book Johnny Depp Accidental Fixer, released on July 5, Paul Barassi recalls interviewing 100 people ahead of Depp libel trials against his ex-wife, only to find that the majority were still on the star side. They described Depp as a gentleman and as someone who does not have a mean bone in his body, despite the disturbing accusation that had been leveled against him. Friends of the Pirates of the Caribbean star also told Barassi that Depp had respect and adoration for women, in contrast to her claim that he was physically and mentally abusive. But according to Barassi, a former adult film actor turned PI and Hollywood fixer, whose previous clients include Arnold Schwarzenegger, Tom Cruise and Sylvester Stallone, he had embarked on an unwavering quest for the truth about Depp, even if the findings were not what her lawyers wanted. Barassi was first hired by Heard team in July 2019 to turn up information that could be useful against Depp ahead of both defamation trials in the UK and the US. Depp ultimately lost the 2020 libel case heard at the High Court in London against a UK newspaper, which had branded him a wife beater, with the judge ruling he had put her in fear of her life. But back in the US, a second libel trial in Virginia against Heard ruled in Depp's favor, with the jury awarding him a total of $15 million, $10 million in compensation and $5 million in punitive damages. But as it does not specify which case he was working on, only that he was given the instructions to delve into the life and history of Johnny Depp and uncover evidence of his alleged physical abuse towards women. He was told to dig up witness statements, videos, photos or anything else that could substantiate Heard claims against Depp. But once Barassi began speaking to Depp associates, he found that the picture was more positive than Heard lawyers had hoped for. Brad Furman, the director of 2018 crime thriller City of Lies, was among those who disputed some of the allegations that had been leveled against Depp over the years. The Hollywood star was sued in an unrelated case for assault by the film location manager Greg Brooks in 2017. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.